Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to make some mini chicken pies. So first things first, you're going to add oil into a pan and add your diced onions and bell peppers. You're going to saute them for a bit until they're soft, and then after that you're going to add chicken breast. I cooked my chicken breast. I'll list down the ingredients that the spices that I used, and then I boiled some potatoes. The chicken breast, I just cut it like into small pieces. So you're just going to cook that together with the onion and the bell peppers, and then I added a quarter cup of chicken stock, and then after that you're just gonna mix everything together. Now for the spices, I used biryani mix, Italian herbs, so you just mix that together as well. After adding your spices, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and you're just gonna mix everything together. You're going to let it simmer for 2 minutes, and then after that you're going to remove it from heat so that it cools down. Now onto a surface, you're going to sprinkle some flour, and after that you add your puff pastry. I got mine at Checkers. You can just go get it anywhere. You find it at any grocery store. And then you also sprinkle flour on top so that the rolling pin doesn't get stuck to the flour when you're rolling it up. And then after you're done rolling, I didn't have a big circle thing, so I just used a bowl. So you see me just cutting the dough into the shape that I wanted, the size rather. Then after you're done cutting the dough using the bigger cutter, you're going to take a smaller one, and you're just also going to cut the same amount of, you get it guys. And then after that you're going to add the dough to a greased baking tin. I used a muffin tin. So you're going just to add all your puff pastries into that. Then after that you're going to add your chicken filling. So you're just gonna spoon the chicken filling into all of the pastries. Now you're gonna take the small part of the pastry, and then you're just gonna put it on top. So some of them were a bit small, so I was just stretching them a bit so that they'll be able to cover. Using a fork, you're just going to press down the sides so that they stick together to avoid the filling from spilling out. At first it was giving me a hard time, but then eventually I figured out how to do it. So just repeat the process until you're done. After you're done, you're just going to brush the top with egg wash. This next step is totally optional, but I wanted to do it, so I just sprinkled some seeds on top of the pies. Not all of them though. Once you're done, you're going to bake your pies for about 25 minutes or up until they're golden to your preference, to what you like, at 180. 25 minutes later, ta-da! Our pies are done. These pies were so delicious. The crust was so flaky, and yeah, they were delicious. You definitely need to try them out. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your notifications so that you won't miss a video each and every time I upload. Bye guys. Okay, I have to come back. Guys, can you see that? Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? There's no way you're going to tell me that these were not nice. Now that you have a video and everything, a whole step-to-step of how you can make those delicious pies, you definitely need to try them.